Hello everyone. This lesson we learn SolidWorks assembly. In first lesson, we give two-part modeling like this. This lesson, we learn how to assemble these two parts. Firstly, let's learn a new terminology related to this practice. Assembly in Chinese read 装配,装配, 装配. Okay, now let's get started. Double-click SolidWorks icon. Open the software. Click File button. New file. This time, we do not choose part. We choose assembly. Okay. Firstly, we input the two parts. Click Survey button. Click Part 1. Open. Now, the first part is Insert. Next, click this Insert button. Survey button. Click Part 2. Open. Now, we insert the second part. The next steps is to how to assemble these two parts together. We click this button. Select this one. Okay. Next, select part 2. Click this button. Click this. Now, the second part is removable. Next, we click Mate button. Click the first button out surface and the second part inner surface. Okay. Next, we click this surface and this surface. Okay. Now, these two parts assembled together. This is what we learned in this lesson. See you next time.